When searching for an inlet box or transfer switch kit for backup power, there can be a lot of choices to sift through. If you're leaning towards getting a 50 amp system installed to maximize how much power is available, then there's really only one choice: CS6375. But there are some systems and kits that still use or reference a configuration that should be avoided for this scenario. While there are a lot of CS configurations out there, when it comes to backup power for your home, CS6375 is the best choice. It's wired to accept up to 50 amps, and with 2 hots, a neutral, and ground, it can power both sides of your breaker box without a problem. With CS6375, you can get up to 12,500 watts of power. The connector that is compatible with this inlet is CS6374. Which is widely available and ready to use cords with a 1450 plug. There's another CS configuration that looks similar and is surprisingly offered in modern kits today: CS6377. While this configuration is also able to accept up to 50 amps, it is only wired to run at 125 volts with 1 hot, a neutral, and ground. This means you can only get up to 6,000 watts of power and operate only one side of your main breaker during a power outage. You would also need to hunt down the corresponding power cord that has a CS6360 connector on it, which are not very common at all. In fact, CS6377 and CS6360 are considered outdated for normal everyday use. They are still in use for very particular applications, but not for your home. So if you come across a transfer switch kit that comes with the CS6377 inlet box, stay away. These will just make your life more difficult. If you need help finding the right power solution for your backup power needs, don't hesitate to contact us. We carry heavy-duty inlet boxes with their corresponding power cords. If you found this video informative, please give us a like and subscribe to see more content just like it. Thanks for watching.